Hello friends, welcome to Nature Tricks YouTube channel. Today I am going to share yoga poses to reduce belly fat. There is a relationship between yoga postures and weight reduction. So it is essential to know the main yoga poses that can help you lose weight. Belly fat can be very difficult to remove. The accumulation of fat in this area can become a health risk. The fat is in the abdominal region is linked to type 2 diabetes, insulin resistant heart diseases and some cancers. The belly is one of the places fat is stored and so most people target it with their exercises. While there are many exercises that can eliminate belly fat, yoga is really very effective and can be practiced by any healthy person. However, you should note that yoga alone may not help you lose belly fat, since 70% of success is also based on proper nutrition. First one, Bhujangasana, the cobra pose. This pose helps to reduce belly fat and can strengthen your abdominal muscles. It can also strengthen the upper body and lower back and make it stronger and more flexible. How to do the cobra pose? Lie on your stomach with your legs stretched out, the palms under each shoulder. The toes should be touched on the floor. Inhale slowly and raise your chest, bending back as far as possible. Depending on your ability, you can hold this position for 15 to 30 seconds. Exhale slowly, then your body returns to the original position. Repeat this pose 5 times with breaks of 15 seconds between each time. If you suffer from ulcers, hernia, back injury or pregnant, it is not advisable to perform this pose. Second one, Dhanurasana, the bow pose. This pose strengthens the base of the abdominals and helps to reduce belly fat. To fully take advantages of this pose, you should rock back and forth while holding this position to massage the abdominal area. This puts the digestive system to work and fights constipation as well as stretches the whole body, especially the rear. How to do the bow pose? Start by pushing your stomach with your legs tight and arms at each side of the body. Then bend your knees and bring your arms back to the ankles or feet. Inhale and lift the head and begins to bend back while trying to lift legs as high as possible. Try to keep this position for 15 to 30 seconds while breathing normally. When you begin to exhale, return to the position with the legs outstretched and arms at side. Repeat this pose at least 5 times and give yourself time to relax for at least 15 seconds between each time. Third one, Naukasana, the boat pose. This yoga pose is beneficial in attacking fat in the waist. It is very good for the stomach and can help strengthen the muscles of the legs and back. How to do the boat pose? Lie on your back with your legs together and extended your arms on your side while looking down. Inhale and lift your legs. Must make sure maintain upright posture. You must strengthen the foot and toes and try to raise your legs as high as you can. While you are in this position, you must have your arms straight and lift your fingers, creating a 45 degrees with your body. Breathe normally while holding this position for 15 seconds. Repeat 5 times with 15 seconds rest between each time. Fourth one, Kumbhakasana, the plank pose. This yoga pose is one of the easier ones, but it's very effective in reducing belly fat. It also stretches the shoulders, arms, back, thighs and buttocks. How to do the plank pose? Start with your hands and knees right under your shoulders and hips. Maintain an upright posture with hands and feet as support. As you inhale, look just ahead of palms to the neck and spine. Contract the abdominal muscles. Your body should form a straight line. Make sure your hands are flat on the ground and your fingers are spread apart. Hold this position for 15 to 30 seconds. For best results, try to hold this as long as possible. Exhale and return to a reposting position, resting your knees on the floor. Repeat this position 5 times and relax for at least 15 seconds after each. Note that this position should be avoided if you have high blood pressure or shoulders or back injury. Fifth one, Pavanamuktasana, the wind relieving pose. There are numerous benefits to the wind relieving yoga pose. In addition to relieving lower back pain, you can also firm and tone your abs, thighs and hips. Also massage the colon, balances pH levels in the stomach, cure constipation and improves the metabolism. How to do the wind relieving pose? Lie on your back with your legs straight and arms on the side. The feet should be stretched out with the heels touching each other. On the exhale, bend your knees and slowly bring them toward your chest. Use the thighs to put pressure on the abdominal area. To properly maintain the knees in place, close hands on knees. Breathe deeply and hold this position for 1 minute to 90 seconds. As you exhale, release your knees and put your hands to your sides with palms facing the floor. You can perform this pose about 5 times with at least 15 seconds rest between each time. In order to increase the metabolism of the body, it is advisable to complete these yoga poses in the morning. In addition, repeat these poses daily 3 to 5 times 3 days a week. All this should be part of a whole change in both your food and lifestyle. Then you will fully benefit from these yoga poses and decreases your weight and better your health. Try these yoga poses in the morning for better result. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.